Strange new teacher, strange new toys, lots of kids, and lots of noise. Llama misses Mama so. Why did Mama Llama have to go? This is a book I read every first day of school. I have kids that have been physically ill. They don't know if their moms are coming back. They cry all day, and I'm there telling them, you're gonna see your mom again. In the populations I serve, there's lots of mixed status families, and I know exactly what that feels like, being undocumented myself. When DACA was first rescinded, I thought that was my last year teaching. Thankfully, with the AFT's help, I was able to renew, but now I have a new expiration date, April 2020. I might be scared sometimes, but someone needs to step up and do things, and I'm hoping I'm inspiring others to say, you don't have to be afraid. We have 1.7 million members that have my back, and I think that's really important to note. We're not alone.
Today we stand up for the more than 11,000 immigrant children incarcerated in detention centers across the United States.
I'm really excited and just humbled by the fact that so many educators and partner groups have come together to speak out about this really important issue, because Teachers Against Child Detention isn't going to end until child detention ends.
Being a mandated reporter, if we see something wrong, then we're supposed to do something about it. We're supposed to say something about it. So just being able to stand with a group of people that's saying, you know what, this isn't right and it's not okay.
Teachers across this entire nation are against this. And when you see all of us united, it sends a stronger message.
Todos los niños deben disfrutar de la protección fundamental y el derecho a una dignidad humana y a la educación. Escuchen bien. Los gobiernos nunca deben separar a los niños de sus padres, bajo ninguna circunstancia.
We, as the teachers of America and Mexico, we must teach them that diversity is important, that our children are our future, every single one of them. Get them out of cages, get them into classrooms. We care.
We care.
We fight.
We fight.
We show up.
We show up.
We vote.
We vote.
We are AFD Encente.
We are AFD Encente. Classrooms, not cages.
Classrooms, not cages. Classrooms, not cages. Classrooms, not cages.
Build bridges, not walls.